Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the very creepy looking Theo the Insolence Overseer. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw Theo here, and he's a very cool looking character. I really love the design on this. Alright, so to begin we're going to draw in the bottom of the hat first. So we're just going to draw one line across. And you can have it angled up slightly if you want. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so once you have that line, let's go ahead and finish up the hat here. Just give it some thickness first. Alright, and then we'll draw on the top later. Let's go ahead and fill in the face first. So I'm just going to come in slightly. You can make two little marks. So we're going to draw in kind of like a fishbowl shape. So I'm just going to draw a big bracket like this first. Once I have the bracket, round it out as best as you can. And that hopefully will give us a nice little bowl shape here. Alright, so from here we're going to draw in his mouth first, since it's so large. So somewhere in the middle of this, let's draw a line. I'll give it a slight slant going down. And then from the corner here, just go all the way down. So we're just drawing the bottom right here. Okay, so now we have the mouth. Now we can draw in the eyes, eye and the eye patch right here. So let's go ahead with the eye patch, just come out here, just one big circle. Okay, and then from the eye patch right here, just come across, draw a smaller circle, which is gonna be that. And then now we're gonna draw in the, I guess the eye socket around it. Go up, and then just curve down. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see this better. Okay, nice and creepy, and we can add a little dot right here to finish up the eye. And then once we have the shape here, now we can draw in the little strap. Okay, so this one's just gonna go right over the eye. This one goes out, so same thing here. And then looks like there's a little X right here. Just one little bar. Okay, so it's a little bit small. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, and then for the mouth right here, which is really creepy, we're gonna draw in 4 of these bars. Okay, so just kind of give it a slight angle. And then now on the bottom here, just draw one line across. And then now everything here, this will be inside the mouth, be all black. So let me shade this in. Yeah, very creepy look here. I guess the mouth makes it really creepy, right? Okay, so that's the face. And now the hat is easy, right? So we're just gonna go up. Nice and tall. Round this out on the top. Right here, just one line across, and then let's see, there's some details here. I'm just gonna add one circle. Okay, so that's the head and the hat, and let's come down and draw in. So he's wearing a suit. He's wearing this nice little suit with a bow tie. So I'm gonna start with the bow tie, just right here in the bottom, just one little circle. And then we'll just go out. So we'll keep this simple. Okay, so once we have that, let's see, here's the shoulder. It looks like it's got some wrapping around it, so just come down and go into the bow tie right here. Alright, and then now we can draw in the sides right here. So we're gonna leave a little bit of space from the shoulder, come down, you make a little point. So that's gonna be the armpit. Now I'm just gonna curve down, so that's gonna be the side right here. Go back to the middle. we're gonna finish out the suit. So we're just gonna draw 2 lines, make this a little bit longer than the one on the outside, and then just connect that. All right, and then for the inside right here, just add a little V shape and then extend one of the lines. And then we can close off the shirt inside, and then the buttons, just draw 2. All right, so now that we have the torso area, let's go ahead and draw in the arms. Okay, so I'm gonna start on the shoulder right here. Just come down to right around the end of the coat right here. Go back to the armpit, come down, we'll just close that off. All right, so let's draw in the same thing on this side, and then we'll draw in the hands. All right, and then for the hands, just come down, one little hook, that's gonna be the thumb. One little line here for the inside of the palm. And then on the back, come down. So now for the fingers, okay, so just curve down. Same thing here, and just round it, close it off. And then for the other fingers, we're gonna see part of it. So one little hook, and then we can add one little bump here for the fingertips. All right, and then same thing on the other side. One hook for the thumb, so you can use this side for reference. One little line here for the inside of the palm, outside of the palm, on the back of the palm I mean. And then now we're just gonna curve down. So this is gonna be one finger. And then for this one we can add in, let's make it a little bit different. So the other finger was gonna be inside here, just curve in, and then just round it out. Okay, so there's a lot of different variation as to how you want to pose the fingers. All right, so now let's draw in the pants, and the legs are very simple. Okay, so we're just gonna start on the side right here. Come down, let's go in the middle right here, just one line. And go down, so this will be, I guess, his knee right here. Now we're gonna start on the inside. It's almost straight down. Make this a little wider, and then stop a little bit short, and then just close this off. So that's gonna be the bottom of his pants. And then now for the shoes, very simple. From this corner, just go out, and then just curve back into this corner. And I'm gonna add highlight here, and now just shade around it just to finish this out. Alright, so that is it for this very cool looking Tio, the Insolence Overseer. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.